Hello, this is our Powerline Adapter with PoE, specially designed for CCTV camera system for your home or office. So this is the master unit. All you have to do is plug it into a socket at your home near your computer or router. Now the data transmission will go through your power line. Now we plug in our slave unit in another room in your house or office and connect it to your IP or PoE camera. Our device allows you to connect up to 7 to 8 slaves across 500 meters square distance with 300 meter point-to-point maximum, which allow you to connect cameras from very long distance with only one master unit. So now we can see my colleague, which is in another room thanks to our IP PoE camera.